Hello, I'm Ravi Udeshi, Election Manager for the Fairfax County Office of Elections. Today, we want to share with you some important information for the upcoming Democratic and Republican Party primaries. On June 18th, Fairfax County residents will vote for candidates for the U.S. Senate and U.S. House of Representatives. The candidates with the most votes in each primary will be on the ballot in November. In Virginia, you may choose to vote in either party's primary, but not both. And you can find out who is running for office in your congressional district by viewing the sample ballots on our website, fairfaxcounty.gov/elections. If you aren't registered to vote in Fairfax County, you can still apply and vote in the June 18th primary. We strongly encourage you to register to vote before the deadline on May 28th. If you missed the regular deadline, you can complete a same-day registration beginning May 29th at the Fairfax County Office of Elections, early voting sites, and on Election Day at your assigned precinct. However, if you complete a same-day registration, you'll vote a provisional ballot. Fairfax County offers convenient options for voting. Any registered voter in Fairfax County may vote by mail or vote early in person. Vote by mail applications can be found online at the Virginia Department of Elections website, elections.virginia.gov. Currently, there are 3 voting locations open, and starting June 8th, there are 16 early voting locations throughout the county. Early voting ends June 15th. Fairfax County is committed to accessible voting. All polling locations offer ADA accessible voting options. Individuals over 65 and persons with disabilities are eligible for curbside voting, and additionally, ballots are available in Spanish, Vietnamese, and Korean translations. On Election Day, June 18th, you must vote at your assigned polling place. To look up where to vote, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/elections. Our website will have the most up-to-date information for any polling place location changes. If you're interested in getting involved in the election process, we are still recruiting election officers for the June 18th primaries and the November 5th presidential election. Thousands of election officers from across the county are needed to serve their community on Election Day. By working at the polls, you will support the election process, serve your community, and earn $250 for your service. Apply now at fairfaxcounty.gov/elections. You can find more information on our website, fairfaxcounty.gov/elections, and follow our X account @FairfaxVotes for accurate and timely information.